What's up, everybody? And outside my house is flooding. So I'm stuck inside unless I learn how to swim. No, my house! No! There's only one thing to do. Yep, perfect. Just flood the house. So, sorry about the improper intro, but what's up, everybody? It's the Gaming Pickle back with another video. And my other house has been destroyed by lightning! It was a modern mansion. See, it's lightning. And whatever. It's a thunderstorm cloud. It's raining so much and I'm sinking. But the thunderstorm cloud is my house. What is this guy? Get down! Hey, just women in clouds. You know that would be really fun. So climb up the electricity, don't fall, and oh no, there's a little shark. Sharks. More sharks. Black windows. Tinted glass. Bad bat. Yeah, you think you could come into my house? I mean, my cloud? I don't know what this is. What is this? Well, I guess I'll just, leave. See you later, suckers. Yes, there is a way to get out of the cloud without going down in lightning, because I don't think you would want to. Oh, is that a village? All this rain makes everything flooded sometimes. Oh yeah, the entire village is flooded. Look at all those houses. It took forever to flood the village. Oh, look at all those glow squids. I just saw you. But look at all, the millions of glow squids at this one house. What's so good about it? I do have a survivor base if my netherite cloud, netherite thunderstorm gets broken. There's a base you could get to. Because doors don't let any water in. See you, water. This floor, nothing. This floor, nothing. This floor, nothing. This floor, nothing. Oh yeah, the roof. Yeah, it's really good up here. There's tons of things. And definitely not every room's empty in here. Take that, villager. I'm so good that I could just snipe you. Until you're done. Until you're on your knees. Right. Or he just magically disappears. Take that, cow! That's what you get for never giving me milk! Oh wait, you have to get a bucket. When's Sarah gonna hit me? It missed! Who needs a bow anyways? Have you heard of the mansion? Oh, indicators. And that's pretty much all that's in the mansion. Every time. And get up a block. I can't get up to 6. Alright, let's head in the mansion. What's this? Mister, did you put this here? Did you? Yeah, have a look at me. Did you put it? Did you put that? Yeah, you. No. You vindicator. You're just the evoker. For weak. Perfect. But who put this here? Where's the barriers? God, I don't even know what this mob is. Like, you guys leave a comment down below if you know what this is. I've never seen it ever before. I can't get a spawn egg. But, like, what is it? Why does it have a throne? Why is it in the Woodland Mansion? Why is it on the second floor? Oh, there's not enough room. Behind here? Not enough. But why? Why is his throne pattern a red? Not red. Why is he in all blue? Why wizard? I actually don't know. I'm gonna become invincible and then go into survival. And then see. Oh no, my night vision. I'm gonna see what it could do. And I had an issue. All these OP effects. Oh, what next? Health boost. This makes all these effects less. Illusion. I think that's what. I did look it up. It's called an illusion. I'm gonna game it. I'm gonna give myself nether armor. It's not gonna be able to kill me. Cover me in debris. Now. So he gives himself a bow. Ah! Why is there so many? Can't hit. Can't hit. What the? I'm running. Heading back to your throne. Oh, yeah, there's a weird gold block there, but. Heading back to your throne, bub. Bub. Ah! Ah! But if you look right here to the hearts, I'm taking actually almost no damage. Whenever it does hit me, I just gain it right back. Haha, you vindicator. Vindicator's actually doing damage to me. Like, look at the hearts. Will it be okay? Yeah, it's fine. Mr. Vindicator. Creative. I can't leave this world because it's gone to out. Goodbye. I'm gonna review this world again because I see you guys loved it, the video. And when I mean loved it, I really mean you guys loved it. I got with that giant thing in the middle. It took up too much room. But I did record it, so I did have some proof it was there. So check out my other video. And my favorite part in this world is probably this. Hang on, wait. And then boop. It was like the best part. Like you built this entire wither storm, your favorite Minecraft mob. And the only thing you like is the door jump? Yeah, it's good. Mind blown. Sometimes. But there's a lot that I actually added, and lots of stuff that I won't be. Like, see how big this guy is? Normally he would be like, instead of just going that way, it has to cover all this. The trick is once you got the body, just add. Oh yeah, last time I was on this world, other than the video, so after last video, I added some of the deep slate ores because it was black and the weather storm's growing food for itself, but I didn't like it. I like my old coloration. But other things that probably won't continue is this. Like there's like there's so much. And it's hard because once you build something, you have to finish it. Things like so, just feel like no. I hope you guys understand. But like no, I don't know if this will ever be able to be done because the wither storm is always growing. So, guys, pot is alright. Don't mind me swimming. Oh, Lord, I'm sinking. Ah! What happened? Ah! 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 Oh, hard mode's here. But... Ah! Ah! Hello, everyone. It's me, Mr. P, and it's all Minecraft and Piggy now. And also, you should go and check out Amiga Cougar 68 with a space. I'll put